I just got paid $400 for just typing on the internet. How cool is that? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. My friends have been trying this technique for months now. They are getting paid $5 for every minute they type. You just need to type 1 hour a day and receive a paycheck of $300. I mean, how awesome that is. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Your Stacy brings you the best out there. The best part is that there are no restrictions, meaning type as much as you want and earn as much as you want. This is something you can do on your phone, your iPad, and even on your laptop. It is entirely free and works all over the world. If you have an internet connection, you can start making a wish list, as after watching this video, you will have over $2,000 in a week. I am so excited for this. Just make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. The website where all of this magic is going to happen is called Hey Money Crushers. Welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Now let's get right into it. The first step is to go to any typing test website. Here I am visiting typeracer.com. This is very important, as this will help you increase your typing speed and you will be able to make more money if you type fast. Here you can see my typing speed. You can do this over and over again until you are satisfied with your results. Now, let's move on to the website that is trusted by over 750,000 users from all over the world. This website is very trustworthy. The name of this website is rev.com. And as shown here, you can earn $1.5 per minute for transcribing a video into text. You also have an option for writing English captions. This will also pay you $1.5 every single minute you type. And for the people who are from a non-English speaking country or speak another language, you have a golden opportunity right here. You will be easily making $7 for every single minute you type. Meaning if you type for 1 hour, you will receive a paycheck of $420. Now these rates vary based on the language. As you can see on the screen, all of the different languages are mentioned on their website with their pay rate. If you are new and don't speak a different language, I recommend you guys to start with video transcription. $1.50 per minute is a crazy number to get. You will be getting $90 every single hour. That is way more than any minimum pay in any country out there. So at the bottom of this website, you will find careers, and when you click on that, you will be taken to a page where you can submit your application for current openings on their platform. You can select from hundreds of assignments they offer, and you will get paid weekly. The best part is that your money will arrive on time, as I have personally tested this website for months. Now, before I tell you a special and secret method to earn more, I want my money crushers to comment the word Easter egg in the comments down below. Now for my money crushers who always want more out of everything, I have another website for you so that you can double your earnings easily. Before that, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to channel so that you don't miss out our future updates. The name of this website is transcribeme.com. This website is also absolutely free to use and works worldwide. When you head over to their website, you will find out that they have a few job openings. You can make money online by doing transcription or translation. I recommend you guys to go with transcription as it pays you more. Now this website has the highest pay rates out there. As you can see, they pay $14 to $22 per audio you transcribe. It's astonishing how much money you can make if you start using both of the websites I mentioned. I will be waiting for my thank you flowers from my money crushers when you receive your first paycheck. After you finish this video, I want you guys to register on both websites and start making money. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.